What's up, y'all? It's Terrell Ferguson Bay here from DrumrWanted. You know, a couple of weeks ago, maybe a week or two, I filmed a video with my son, you know, just playing on drums. I was trying to practice and he wanted to come, you know, spend time with his father. So I obliged, and you know, we just sat there. I was just trying to practice just my timing and stuff like that. So but when I posted the video, a lot of people asked like what scoring software I was using. So I told people in the messenger on IG, I was basically using just Logic, but I'll show you guys the software I used to make that video. All right, and it has a good effect, scoring effect. So I use this program right here called Screenflow, right? And this is the video, you know. Messing up, but because I'm using the same software to record as I am to play the video. But I basically use this program called Screenflow, and it records your webcam or whatever camera you're using. So it records your camera and it records your screen at the same time. So what I did basically was just let me move this out the way, my webcam out the way, and then I zoomed in on my Logic screen. So I'll scale out, basically just use Logic and zoom right in on what I wanted to show beneath my video. You know, if I play it, right, and I just basically put this video on top, so it looks like, you know, some kind of cool recording software. But it's just a program called Screenflow, right? And I just, you know, zoomed in on Logic and then put my picture on top and my logo. So that's a basic quick tutorial on my program and what I use to record my videos and my editing process. So just real quick, and I just wanted to let you guys know because a couple people were asking. So all right, this is Terrell DrumrWanted, and I'm out.